So if you've got the Hyundai i30 diesel 1.6 and you've got this symbol coming on, you've got a warning light saying you've got water in your diesel fuel or your water trap is full, engine management lights come on.
If you've got a code reader and read the fault codes, it would come out with P2264, water in fuel.
You've got lack of power, it's gone into limp home mode. Really simple solution. 9 times out of 10 it's not got water contamination in the fuel, it's the actual sensor on the filter that's gone faulty. Usually this is from 63 plate onwards. To get your power back, you go into the fuel filter, pop the bonnet up, just behind the battery you've got your diesel fuel filter. On the bottom of that is the sensor, but like I say, the sensor is usually faulty. On the front of that filter housing there is a little tab with a 3-pin connector plug. That is the plug for the fuel filter water trap sensor. So you've just got to press the little lug on the top and pull the connector apart. It is fiddly, it's tight behind the battery, but you can get your hands in just to press the tab and pull it apart. Once it's apart, that is it. The sensor's disconnected. The car will automatically turn off the water trap light, the warning light. It will come out of limp home mode. So you switch the engine off, switch it back on again, and it will reset everything and away you go. I would get that sensor replaced at the garage, or just buy a new sensor yourself and fit it. It's not very difficult to do, but you won't need it to get you by. It will drive now perfectly normally. If that's been of any use to you, drop me a little thumbs up, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.